Good morning, happy Monday. Asia session is about to begin, I guess. See what the reaction is in regards to the dump. Well, for now, we'll take a look at what happened over the weekend. Nice and easy. We'll take a look at across, some charts. We'll take a look at the top 10 coins, top performance. We'll take a look at liquidations, USD, just everything in general. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, once again, we'll take a look at BTC, some altcoins, liquidations, and USDT. All right, let's get going. Let's post the link. Bear with me. Just give me a moment. All right, now let's take a look at BTC. First and foremost, nice and simple. Let's take a look at liquidation. Now I know for a fact that there was north of 1.2 billion that got wrecked. Not much, but mainly shorts now. I wish you can see what it's like within the last couple of days. This is the largest. What's the fifth? It happened on the 13th. Largest liquidations. Here we go. 2. Wow, unreal. So there was a total of 1.4 billion total liquidations on longs, and a little bit more on the weekend. Well, that's almost 1.5 billion in shorts. My goodness, that's unreal. I think that's the record. I think last time it was unreal. I basically let the price ride out. I had 2 liquidations on BNB because that was my early levered position. I got stopped out on break even at BTC and went back in. It went to like 65 and it dropped to 64, got taken out, and now I'm back in, and my average entry is 65. Now total 1.5. Right. Now we can see that the market's pulling back a little bit. Maybe some de-risking over the weekend. Now let's take a look. Yeah. First and foremost, let's take a look at my favorite one at the moment. Without any indicators, we managed to test these lows. Now we have so 61 basically got tapped, leaving 58,970, which can be tested later on. Now maybe it won't be touched, but it's very likely that it will. That's how it always happens. But I mean, this one got untouched and we kept on rallying, right? So we probably need some sort of bears to liquidate on the way up. So maybe there's going to be people shorting 71, 200, but until 60,000 has been breached, I refuse to go short. I would rather wait. I would rather wait for the price to go check these lows, and you know, we'll go from there. But yeah, this yellow box was pretty powerful, nice demand level. I had no reason to be, you know, to not bid. I bid here. Let's not laugh. I bid there, and I bid here, and I averaged out my entry. I closed some on the move up here, and I started bidding again, just to see. Now we are pulling back a little bit. So if we're looking at a range, we're still range bound until proven otherwise. That's it. I think we're just gonna go sideways. Bitcoin halving is around the corner. Bitcoin halving countdown. 4 days, 9 hours, 17 minutes. That's so cool, man. Honestly. Put that on your countdown, man. 19th of April, 12, basically 12 UTC. 11:58 UTC, wow. Now liquidation wise, what do we see? I'll pull back to the 3 months. I did notice that most of these liquidity got swept. Everyone here got liquidated. Everyone here, here and here. Now, like I said, these are untapped. Is it worth it going here though? Why not, right? I say why not, but most of them have closed some on the way up. Maybe they capitulated. Let's see, 24 hour, 12 hours, 3 days. Give me something. Yikes. Weekly, let's see. So you got to be objective. A lot of people closed their shorts as well as the price went down, probably around here. Some longs close. See on CoinGlass. CoinGlass. The funding is positive again on the 1 minute time frame. There you go. Absolute apes, man. Open interest, funding rates. Wow. We flip positive. We flip positive again. There's not much open interest here though, so that's good news, right? I like that. I like that. Where's my? Let me just log in here. Okay. There we go. Let's see. That was a lot of spot selling there. Open interest still days. Let's see. This is the lowest it's ever been since June 2022. Wow. I mean, if you're not happy with that, I don't know what you would be happy with, really. This is like the lowest has been since right. That's good. That's what we like to see. Retail getting flushed out. Absolutely. Cool. So slightly building up. Spot still looking strong. So now we would ideally love to have this above this level. So even the spot is at a nice support level. So I'd like to see this flip up. I'd like to see this level flip up, and if everything goes well, that's what I wanted to see it do. Oh shit. Ideally, that's what I want to see spot do, yeah? Just document these things as well. Right, that's what I want to see spot do. We want to start seeing it bid, and we have been bidding. So I don't have login for Trading Light anymore. Give me a second. So I'm trying to open up my Trading Light. It's not working. I'll troubleshoot that later. Not a lot of. I like to see this. It's not like. So that's shorts, some of the shorts closing. There's not much longs opening, huh? That's good. CVD down, but the price start going down, so I'm expecting a short squeeze soon. But there's not much shorts either to squeeze, so I think if we have some spot bids here, the price could grind slowly upwards. I think everyone's just trying to ape into their altcoin positions. But I like how Bitcoin is looking here. This is exactly what we want for the halving, right? Now USDT, as I promised. I mean, we could do an Ichimoku, but the price is ranging. Unless we look at the 3-day chart, which is fantastic. Fantastic. One second. Sorry, my sister called. Good. Now, price action wise, yeah. Where's the 8 EMA? Oh no, can I undo that? There we go. Settings 8. Weekly. Can't be me, fam. The short time frame is really good here. You can't catch me being bearish here, but I do not want to ape in either. That looks good. That's a good close. I really like that. Shout out to Big Cheds, for pointing this out, by the way. Not completely my idea, but this is the week of the halving. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more closes. Now, here's the thing, right? I wouldn't be surprised if we at least test these lows again. I wouldn't be surprised. So if you have not gone in, yet, I don't see any reason why we can't test these lows one more time. But this is why I'm trying to take a look at the order flow. But I do know someone who has posted it, which is Credible Bull. Here it is. This is what I was trying to get on Trading Light with, but I couldn't. But that was the first order that was filled, and now they have orders down here at 64. So as I mentioned, I wouldn't be surprised if he drops that low. But I'm not shorting here either. I do have this BNB position as well, and Solana, I have a position on Solana which is up 10%. But overall, before we do anything, before we start bidding on alts and things like that, let's take a look at the USDT and BTCD. Okay. Now, this is the daily USDT dominance, which looks pretty bad, to be honest. According to the system, we could still test these highs, but below this level, okay, below this level, I'm not shorting. I'm not shorting. I'm still buying the dip. But if we start climbing up and breaking structure, then yeah, maybe. I think we could have a good continuation here, or we could, you know, keep on ranging. But at the end of the day, we'll see. We'll just react upon. That was a nice reaction. So any move up towards this level, I am looking at add alert, crossing up. We'll take a look. But I'm not getting alerts on my phone anymore these days. It's so weird. But that's that. Weekly. Yeah, see? I want to put an alert here as well. Right, well that's it for me. I'd love for this to go down like this, but that's my bias. It's bullish. Now this is my favorite chart of them all, which is the weekly chart for the Bitcoin dominance. Right, I've made this a long time ago. I have no interest in alts above this line. Now that means one or two things could happen. It could dump more, but at the same time, if we were to stay under this magical line, which is the 3-day, where is it here? There we go, around this level. I'm happy to see where it goes. Right here. It's an absolute chop fest though. I also mentioned on Discord, don't bid alts yet, don't bid alts yet, don't bid alts yet. My only leveraged position was BNB, because that was literally the strongest chart to this day, and it still is. This is looks exactly like the BTC chart. It's just much more cleaner, less choppy. This up only. Now I'm not gonna pretend that this is not a lower high. Okay, so I am taking profits here, 75% on this position that I have. I am looking at adding more. I'm looking at adding more if it gives. But 8 EMA, I'm gonna start using that for shorter time frame. Bullish order block, maybe on the 8 hour. But overall, we can only see it's broke. It's broke. You know, weekly is still strong, but you know, 3 days, any pullback is any pullback to this level, I'm buying again. Simple. That's range bound as well until proven otherwise. Near, man. Like, what do I say with a lot of these charts really? You just have to zoom out. You're gonna hear me say this a lot as we, you know, take a look at the weekly levels of these charts. Is zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. Look at these levels. Like, that's below the pivot that I want. That's below the range that I want. So, I mean, you could bid, because this is the break of structure here. I mean, ideally, you could bid this. Ideally, a lot of people bid here, the retest, right? Those who were patient in their spot were rewarded heavily. Already up. Now we're testing a lot of levels again. We could test those levels again. War or not, we could pretend like we did not, you know, we didn't anticipate, you know, the Iran sending drones and everything like that. But at the end of the day, man, we didn't drop below 60,000. You can't really fool us. Technical analysis people. Sure, I got hurt. Sure. We lost some money. Let's not pretend that we didn't. We did. Right? But at the same time, what do? You just have to play the ball. Now we're still in this channel, and until this channel is broken, I'm not interested. I've already drawn this. There we go. There's the channel. Not interested. We got to this, but now we've got to this level. Now if it goes back to the 63, 64 area, I'm bidding. This is the channel. So we went to the bottom of this channel, and then we went to the second channel. Now, yes, we have broken trend, but we're sideways. Yeah. So it's simple. There, and then above and beyond. Don't know how it can. I don't know how it can go. That's why it's called price discovery. We don't know. Yeah. Overall, I'm still bullish on crypto. Sailor made a tweet. I think he said Bitcoin is good. Chaos is good for Bitcoin. It really is, though. I mean, this is the only uncensored currency out there. You know what happened in Ukraine? How were they accepting donations when everything went south? They were accepting crypto donations, weren't they? So yeah, BNB BTC still at a nice level. This is why I'm still bidding BNB. Here's the breakout. Here's the break of structure. Chop sideways. So I am expecting this to go up higher. I really am. If BTC, critical level, cannot stress. Like, man, major support. Major support. I mean, they could consolidate a little bit more, but I'm playing the beta. I'm playing Ethereum leveraged with optimism, not the actual ETH. I'm playing optimism because I know every time ETH runs, that coin just does way more. I can put less money on spot, and I won't be liquidated. That's it. That's my play for Ethereum. Range low, baby. I don't see any reason why we shouldn't be bidding some alts here. But let's take a look at total. Total bounced at the same place where we expected it to bounce. You know, in big events like that, the last thing you want to be is on Twitter. And take a look at all these depressing suicidal posts, man. Get off, walk out. who cares if your net worth is down? Like you should have dry powder anyway, right? If you don't have dry powder, well, you live in London. Here's what's scary for total 2 for me. This is why I'm mostly bidding on BTC. This is mainly because of ETH, to be honest with you. Looks like dog shit. I can't lie, that looks pretty bad. But at the same time, we tested a nice zone here, and it bounced exactly on that level. Yeah. So any move back towards these levels is bid, and above this level we bid. Yeah, total 3. Ha! It doesn't look good, man. Far out. Look, man. You know, when you're wrong, man. You know, sometimes technical analysis gets trumped by what's the word? By fundamental. I can pretend that I didn't have some futures position that was bid and just went straight into liquidation. Of course I did, man. Like, you know, everyone was in that position, but these are probably the levels that we should look at. 3 levels. I want to take a look at 3 levels. These are my bid alts position. 1, 2, 3. I don't like looking at total 2. Total 2 is rubbish, man. Where's my others? Here we go. Others dominance. Same thing. This looks like the total 2. ES, is it pulling back at the moment? Pulling back a little bit. No, we should have a green week, man. Like I can't lie. Like I'm hopeful for a green week. While it is nice to have a pullback to this level, to long the living shit out of S&P 500, which I am waiting for. But we'll see. The weekly went to this nice zone for me, but that's probably another level I'm looking at bidding. But this is it for me. This is where I would like set alerts and just, yeah, all in. Crossing gun. I'll put my limit orders on BingX for this one. I'm bidding on BingX here if anyone is interested. It's a good exchange. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not gonna give you my referral code. I don't care. I just like helping people, man. I like it. The power of the dollar, baby. The beauty of dry powder. How did I see this and just completely fade it? Now we don't know, right? Like that's it. We don't know. He just went 0 to 100 real quick. It's in the charts. It's in the charts. It actually was though. Like Tuesday, 9th of April, it was in the charts that something astronomical was gonna happen with the US dollars, and wow. Okay. Yuck. It's been a while since I've taken a look at this, but it's probably worth looking once in a while. The Dexy is looking hungry. It's looking hungry. What do we think? Trump for the win or what? But this is it, the 3 tap. I never got to that. That's why I got complacent, I'll be honest. But I should have saw this. How did I draw this to the exact Pico bottom? But I didn't act upon it. It's 100% my fault. Sorry, I had a phone call. Again, Doge is at nice support. Good break of structure. We kept structure. I'm bidding on pullback again. I'm still feeling Doge, man. I wanna ask more money from my wife. You know, if she allows me, we'll buy more Doge. We just keep on buying Doge. I like Doge. This is probably the level where I would just go hit that button there, hit that button hit there. I wouldn't want to go below here. On the daily, on the 3-day. Where's the super trend? Where's the 200? Where's the 8? Let's go on the 14 again. 14 looks like shit. Yeah, so it's not much difference. This is where we zoom out and take a look at the 100 EMA and 200 EMA. Yeah, super trend. I don't want to turn on the VWAP for now. Actually, you know what? Let's turn on the VWAP and turn this off and turn this off. Too much noise. Let's take a look at the VWAP first. Most of these have bounced on the VWAP to the money. Now maybe we can bid some here on Doge, or maybe here. Nice level. Nice. I haven't got any exposure to Doge, but I actually got already exposure to WIF. I want to be buying at these levels. Okay, I got some charts for you guys. Oh my god, BNB is so strong. Max bid BNB. That's it. This is it. This is like, there's a saying, right? There's a saying. There is a saying. Those who chase 2 rabbits catch none. Find the chart you like. Max bid. Management, risk management. That's it. Much better like that. Bro, this chart is fire, man. What am I supposed to say to this? It is fire, bro. What is this shit? I don't need this. VPRP. It will add more there. That's like the mid-range, obviously. Wow. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, let's bid more BNB here and put my stop loss down. Actually, I'm at high leverage here. Maybe I should take this position. So I got WIF Solana. I bought some WIF. I bought some Solana. I bought some BNB. At the moment, I'm up. Let's see, let's do the maths. How do I do the maths? Oh, I'll do this. I'm up 24% on my trades at yesterday's dump, so that's good. Now I think I'm talking to the stream. That's a really if we want to go a leverage play on BNB, this is it. I think BNB from here can run. Please, this is not financial advice. I'm just basing this off the VWAP alone, okay? And if we're looking at the Ichimoku as well, on the 3-day, Okay, it looks fire, man. Please, there is no chart I like better than BNB. Fuck what anyone says. I don't even need to long altcoins. If I'm bullish on crypto, if I'm bullish on altcoins, I can use this as the index. Who cares if I make less money? At least that's the daily. That's the daily close. Now, ideally, it would be nice to buy at these levels, but until that's accepted below, I'm long on BNB. Same with BTC. It looks very similar to the BTC chart. So you could buy this on spot, you could buy this wherever, but would be massive if we have it closing like this. Anyway. Staying away from these coins. OP is another one that I haven't gone in yet. I want to try and go back in down here, but no. See, things like this you buy on spot, you buy and forget. 1 inch is also another accumulation kind of thing. Yeah. Well, it's just BNB for me, man. What do you want me to say? Shut up. I'm trying to stream. All right, sorry. I want to bid BNB today. Fuck the fee. I'm gonna bid BNB today. Let's show these monkeys how we do it. Oh yeah, look at that. That's nothing. That's gross. Bro, I literally had a sick position on BNB and I only took a little bit of profit down there and it dumped all the way to 500. And I bought. Because I remember I woke up my wife and I said it's time to buy BNB. That's just how we do it, man. We buy the blood. You know, if a country is gonna get bombed by another country, we'll just buy their blood. That's how it's always been. Nothing's changed. Nothing's new. Let's see if we have a better entry. Like if there's any liquidations that we can get underneath. Nah. Maybe 530 on the 12 hours. Yeah. Nah. But let's aim for this guy. There's not much shorts either. Like most of them like really already took profit. But let's try it, aim. 635. Let's get it. Let's get that BNB. Let's get that BNB, the strongest. Look at all these people showing me Ondo and all this chart, man. Let's take a look at momentum, bro. There's nothing stronger than BNB right now. Prove me wrong. You don't need it. Like a percentage doesn't necessarily, like you see with pump 29%, 30%, but it doesn't mean it's good, man. This is like high market cap. It moves this much. I still have a nice trade. What do you reckon? We should let me ask my baby. Hey, come here. Let me ask the boy. Hey, Dragon Ball. We buy BNB. We buy BNB. That's it. He said buy BNB. We buy BNB. We'll just buy one more BNB here. How much do I have here? 0.2, 0.3 BNB. We buy more BNB. Man, this position is so big. It's on 20x. I have it risk-free. Hopefully we don't pull back too much today. But I have it on risk-free at 557. So 555. Ideally, if it moves back down to where my stop loss is, I want to buy. Or like this. This is ideally how I'm going to play it. Let's see. I want to buy this guy's liquidation here. 530. There's not a lot of people long in BNB. Sucks to be them. Yeah, like this. Quick flash dump, and we'll buy straight up. Like we'll just buy, maybe like this even. Like I would just buy like 10 BNB. 10. I want to risk $100 here. Like this. Yeah, 10 BNB. Tight stop loss. But I won't put the stop loss until the price moves up. I see the reaction there. Just buy 10 BNB blindly. Fuck it. That's 10 BNB there. Buy 10 BNB there. I'm not even kidding. No risk, no Ferrari. No risk, no Ferrari. People take risk in life, man. If you're gonna sit there and tell me that this is risky, you're probably not gonna make it. I wanna buy Doge here. Actually, mums, we can buy Doge today, mums. We can buy Doge today. We'll do on 5x leverage. Let's go. We'll just buy some Doge here. Doge Bid the blood, baby. Bid the blood. I'll buy blood like as if I'm like I'm a vampire, bro. I like this shit. Let's just buy 1,000 Dodge here, and we'll buy more below. I'll buy more. Buy 1,000 here, 1,000 here. How much would it cost though? Fucking $30 each one. Nah, not more. Nah, I want some room below. Buy some Doge. Oh, B&B solo jungle today, eh? Hell yeah. I think BTC can pump here. Who's Doge? Let's see all my contracts. Why is whiff on cross? I don't like whiff on cross margin. 1 second, man. Let me fix this. 1 second, mate. No. I want to close this here. 1 second. Anyway, this is probably more fun hunting with Widelton. Let's get the boys on. We'll do one more. We'll do ETH. ETH is probably not a bad bid down here, but there's other assets that are like just have better looking charts. What are we looking at here? I just hope that Israel doesn't retaliate, because if it retaliates, my longs are gone. Is it a good long here? Something like this. It's a 5-hour trade. You can probably tighten it, or just have a lower entry, whichever one's better for you. Yeah, I'd like to aim these highs now. Ideally, we should keep going. That's it. That's it from me. I'm a bidder at these lows. It's BNB. Solo jungle BNB. Let's go. Anyway, that's it for now. I'd love to hunt with y'all again. Just you know, give me a shout out whenever you want. You know, we'll go from there. Sure, we'll keep this on. Day trade. No, I bid mine there though. I don't know about you. I think we should go for all-time high. I think BNB is ready, man. Yeah, this guy's ready for all-time high. I'm confident. Anyway, that's it from me for now. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you for watching.